Autoleap versus Tekmetric versus Shopmonkey. Which is the best auto repair shop software? Let's first take a look at Autoleap. Autoleap is a cloud-based shop management solution featuring digital vehicle inspections, DVI, appointment scheduling, CRM, inventory tracking, parts ordering, invoicing, and business analytics. It integrates with QuickBooks, Mitchell One, Carfax, Nextpart, and part vendors. It's valuable for independent and multi-location shops thanks to efficient workflow tools, marketing reminders, and performance dashboards. The software advice user ratings are rated 4.9 out of 5 from over 740 reviews. Ease of use 4.7 and support 4.9. Capterra has a similar rating, praises multi-location support and onboarding. Now let's take a look at real-world feedback. Many users found the interface intuitive, helpful onboarding, reliable support, and solid communication and CRM tools. However, there are several Reddit critiques that highlight bugs, data loss, disappearing customer and job entries, poor invoice customization, and difficult contract cancellation. Now let's take a look at Tekmetric. Tekmetric is a cloud-based solution with smart jobs, DVI, integrated inventory, part and vendor management, text communication, payment processing, and powerful real-time reporting accessible from anywhere. Its user ratings? Well, Software Advice gives Tekmetric 4.8 out of 5 based on over 100 reviews. Reddit users commonly state that Tekmetric is the best one they've ever used, invoices are easy, multiple shops switch to Tekmetric and love its support, and the negative reviews are very rare. Some note minor UI quirks like no drag and drop tasks and tab switching. Now let's take a look at Shopmonkey. It's known for fast, visually clean estimation tools, digital approvals, and streamlined billing, strong in estimating and customer-facing workflows. It integrates well with many part vendors and has mobile-friendly design, though inventory and DVI are reserved for higher tiers. Software Connect, named Shopmonkey, best estimating module. Autoleap holds stronger overall status, but for estimates specifically, Shopmonkey shines. Reddit users consistently highlight Shopmonkey's UX simplicity and speed for estimates, though fewer comments exist compared to Tekmetric or Autoleap. So it's ideal for independent shops that need fast estimates, simple customer approvals, and minimal complexity. Overall, Autoleap is best for customer-focused shops wanting DVIs, CRM messaging, and scheduling. Use it only if you're okay with potential bugs and contract rigidity. Tekmetric. Strongest overall pick for reliability, analytics, DVI capabilities, and scalability. Consistently praised by Reddit users and verified reviewers. Shopmonkey. Choose this one if you prioritize simplicity and superior estimation flow and don't need complex inventory or buy reporting at the lowest tier. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.